Today we're drawing
Mario! But he's a baby Mario.
Yeah.
Yeah, we thought the cute baby Mario would be perfect for our channel. Should we begin?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna start with his cute little eyebrows. So, let's draw a couple of little curve-shaped eyebrows in the middle of the page-ish. Okay, and then now we're gonna do something a little different where we start with the nose, not the eyes. Okay? So let's draw a big oval shape in between the eyebrows, but lower than the eyebrows, okay? Leave a little space. A big oval shape under those eyebrows. Yeah. Okay, now for his eyes, and the eyes are oval shaped too, but it's gonna be covered, part of it is gonna be covered behind the nose, okay? So I'm gonna draw an oval right next to the nose, but a little bit of it is touching the nose, so it's a little covered. And then I'm gonna leave a little shine on it too. So leave the top left part blank and draw a little line and fill in the rest of that oval. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So an oval right next to the nose so it's touching. And then leave a little shine blank on the top left and fill it in. Fill in the rest of the eye. Yeah, nice. Okay, now for his face line, okay? So we'll draw a big smiley curve right underneath the nose, and we're gonna leave a little bit of gap between where we have all these face parts, okay? And the curve. So let's draw a big smiley curve right around all those facial parts. Nice. Okay, now for his ears, draw a couple of ears, so see curves next to the big smiley face curve that we drew. And then we'll draw his big oversized hat. Because his head is so small that his hat is so big on him. Okay, so we're gonna start right where the ear is, and we'll draw a long curved line almost touching his eyebrows. So keep it low to the eyebrows. Yeah, and this part of the hat is the visor, the part that sticks out. So we're going to make another curved line right above it, running parallel to that curved line. So make it run just the same as the first curve that you drew, just above it. So we'll draw a curve, a little curve upwards, and then draw a line following the first curve that you drew. Yeah, and connect it. Good job! Now for the bigger part of his hat. And for that one, we're gonna start in the middle of his ear. And then we'll draw a curve upwards, kind of like a mountain, and then downwards towards his other ear, okay? So let's start in the middle of his ear, curve up, and then we'll go all the way up beyond the first visor, make a mountain shape, and then all the way down towards his other ear. Okay, so that's his hat. We're gonna draw a little circle in the middle for what?
The M on his hat.
Yeah, exactly. So let's draw that circle. And then you wanna grab your red pen really quick for the M? So right in the middle of that circle, we're gonna make an M shape. So a diagonal line up, a zigzag or a V shape, and then diagonal line down. So it's just a normal M, nothing too fancy. Good job. Okay, ready for his body? Oh, before we move on to the body, we have to draw his hair.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, so we're just gonna draw a curved line down from where his hat is, so in between the eyebrow and the ear. Curve down, and then make another curve in, and then another one right underneath it. So a backward C shape there. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side, where we draw a little, almost like a tooth shape first, and then a C shape for his hair. Okay, now
Isn't there a little smile that he has?
you can draw a smile, but I'm gonna pretend his mouth is hidden. There you go. Okay, so his body and his clothes. So for the suspenders that he has, or like the part of the overalls, we're gonna draw a small line downwards and curve it like a U and then bring it back up. And then same on the other side. So it's kind of like a long U shape, right? And then because we don't have that much room for the golden buttons that he has, we're just gonna draw a frowny curve right above it so that it looks like he has the gold buttons. Nice. Okay, so this Mario is gonna have like a hooray pose with his arms. So right underneath the chin where his straps are, we're gonna draw a diagonal line out. Just a little bit. He has short arms because he's a baby. And then we'll draw a rectangle shape out and down from that arm. And then we'll draw a rectangle back in. Yeah. And then we'll connect it all the way back in. Not too far, but I went a little bit lower that underneath that strap. But that's okay too, because we're gonna draw a big body underneath it. Okay, make sure you do the same thing on the other side. And then for his hands, we're gonna make a fist. And this one's a little bit cute of a fist, okay? So we'll draw a little curve out and in, kind of like a J, a hook. Yeah. And then we'll draw a bigger curve outside of that, connecting back to the sleeve. Yeah, good job. So that's a little fist that he's making. And then we'll do the same thing. So the thumb is on top with a curved J shape, and then draw the bigger fist.
I'm drawing the face. I'm drawing the forehead.
Yeah. Yeah, you can always make little changes to the drawing as you go.
He's so cute.
He's so cute. So now for the rest of his body, from his arms, we're gonna draw a little line curve out, just a little bit on either side, because we're gonna draw him seated. So we need room for his feet. So for the feet, I'll show you and then you can decide. But here are his feet. An oval shape on the left and a similar oval shape on the right. And then we'll connect his body, his bum. So for you, you'll have to bring a little diagonal line out like this. Make it curvy. Good! Then connect the shoes with another curved line, like a smiley curve. Yeah, and then now we're going to connect the suspenders right here with a little line. And then for me, since I have this gap between the arm and the rest of the body, I'm just gonna draw a little line connecting it. That's it!
Mario!
That's baby Mario!
He's so cute.
Yeah, he's so cute, right? Okay, should we get coloring?
Yes.
Yeah! So I think this is our 4th Nintendo Super Mario character drawing, right? Yeah. We've already done a couple of princesses, Princess Peach and Rosalina. And we did Rosalina's star creature, Luma.
Lumba.
Wait, Lumba?
No, Luma.
Luma.
Not Lumba.
Lumba? What's a Lumba?
I don't know.
Which one was your favorite one so far?
Luma.
Luma?
She was so cute.
Oh wait, we also did Toad!
Oh yeah.
Almost forgot about Toad.
Sorry,
Toad was so cute too, right? I heard there might be a second Mario movie coming out.
What?
Yeah!
We have to watch it.
Yeah, I just don't know when. Do the Mario song. Good job. So iconic. I love that song. Whoa, what doing over there? That's cool.
You'll see. He's going through the hole.
Oh, the tunnel, the green tunnel.
Yeah.
Which character is next?
I'm not sure.
What about Luigi?
Oh yeah, Luigi. Luigi's next.
He is?
Yep.
We don't have to go in order, I guess. Of like Mario, then Luigi, and things like that.
Yeah, but we haven't been going in order.
Yeah, we haven't. You done?
Yep.
That's an amazing drawing! Mine's so simple compared to yours. Well, Art Along friends, remember to decorate your drawing however way you want. And join us next time to draw other Mario characters.
Like and subscribe to our one.
See ya!